Oh my God, you're so fluffy. How are you doing, little girl? Hey. Oh, your dad. I move this. Which one moves?
Yep, that one.
This one?
Yep.
Alright. Oh, so be nice.
So just get those wires out the way.
I'll try to move the wires. There we go.
Here, lady. Come on. Daddy's got you. Huh? The same way that I took it off, right?
So do you want to pull this up? So just because she still has her cord, I would just hold it down just a little bit.
Okay.
Just so it's not on the cord.
You're beautiful, lady. I got you. Promise I won't hurt you, okay?
So you just pull this out.
Oh,
Yep. Pull that
I
out
see.
right there.
Okay. Complete?
And then attach
And then
it.
attach it. Yeah.
Thank you.
And then you'll do the same on this side.
Sorry, as you know, this is my first.
Hey, it's okay. It's the only way you're gonna learn, right?
I got you, baby girl. That's got you. Is this okay?
Just for our purposes, we're just gonna tuck her cords. Just because she's they just get in the way sometimes.
Hey, I got
You
you.
just want to make sure it's on snug,
Alright.
because as she moves, it may move. And girls are a little better at not peeing on you. Sometimes when boys, you open the diaper, they get that swift of air and they start to pee.
Oh,
So you just got to be mindful of that.
I was very cautious trying to change a diaper for the first time. I was as gentle as a 200-pound man can be. You know, this tiny little 4-pound baby. This is the first time I get to put my hands on her head, on her knees and legs and her body. We've been connecting for months now. I've been talking to her in multiple languages through my right hand, left hand, putting it here on mommy's womb. Here she is. I love you. I said this since the moment I saw the test kit said pregnant. I was like a kid in a candy store. So happy. Good girl.
Sometimes they just got to get used to it in their mouth, especially because she's like, I'm just waking up. What are you putting in my mouth?
I got you, okay? Good girl. That's my girl. Come on. What are you looking at, huh? What are you looking at? I'm gonna take good care of you, okay? See, everybody loves you here.
She's like, what's going on?